Okay, so we're going to do Unit 3, Lesson 3 today, and we're going to be talking about more division. Today we're doing 2-digit quotients, or answers, and 4-digit quotients. This first video is just going to be on 2-digit quotients. And I'm going to do the place value sections model, which is the box model, and the expanded notation model right next to it. So you're getting both strategies at the same time. So our first answer is 252 divided by 9. And I know that 9 doesn't fit into 2 by itself. So I'm going to go into 25. So I'm really kind of looking at the tens place because I'm coming over to this 5. So 9 into 25, I know only goes 2 times. I'm talking about those tens, so I'm going to make it a 20. 20 times 9 is 180. I'm going to subtract it like usual. Get 72. If I was doing the same thing with the expanded notation, I would put my 0 here, my 2 here, 180, 272. I'm going to move that to the top of this next section. Now I'm just talking about ones. So 72 divided by 9 is an easy one. That's 8. Same thing over here. 8. Talking about the ones place. 8 times 9 is 72. 28's my quotient. The same with over here. 28's my quotient. Another example would be 162 divided by 6. I know that that's only going to have a 2-digit quotient because the first number is smaller than my divisor. So I'm going to look at the tens first. Going straight to the tens on this one. So 162, I'm looking at the 16 to do those simple math fact type reflections. And so 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to go to the next one to make sure I did enough. So 6 times 3 is 18. So that's too much. So I'm going to stay with the 2. So 20 times 6 is 120. If I was doing the same first step in the expanded notation, I would do the same thing. And now I'm looking at the ones. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Same thing over here. 7. Subtract. I have nothing left. So my expanded notation is 27. And my place value sections, the quotient is 27. Now, this one is not in your book on page 107. I'm just going to do one more problem with you. 245 divided by 7. This is just an added example for you to have in your notebook. So I know that this 2 right here is smaller than the 7, so I'm definitely going to have 2 quotients in this answer. 245 divided by 7. So I'm going to be looking at this 24 at first. So 24 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21, and we have to add that 0 because we're talking about the hundreds. So we're going to subtract. If I'm doing it in expanded notation, I'm going to do the same thing. Move that 35 to the top. And I'm going to go ahead and do it with my ones. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Do the subtraction. 5, 35. So in my expanded notation, 245 divided by 7 is 35. And in my place value sections, it's 35. So that's your 2-digit quotient answers examples.